Can you see my screen?
Yes, please.
Okay.
So we're going to continue from
Yes, please.
we're looking
Um,
data cleaning and transformation.
yes. Um,
Did you close the last file? Did you close the last
I
file?
did. I saved it. I did. I saved it.
All right, so just
Yeah. Okay. Oh,
go to
apology.
save it.
Give me a second, please. I should go to what, Shegun?
Go to where you saved it now. I said you saved it somewhere.
Yes, I did. And I opened it. That
No, no, don't open. Just go to where you saved it. Which folder did you save it?
I saved it in Excel, though.
I'm saying which folder is it? Is it online or is it in the folder?
I think it was online, if I'm correct. Just give me a second, please.
Okay.
Mm, I even opened it that evening after saving it. Hold on. Let me check. Mm, please, I'm coming. I'm
Okay.
trying to find it. Okay, I found it. Oh no, this isn't it too. Sorry. Apologies. Give me a second.
Okay. You remember I told you that you should do close and load the other day and then save it.
Yeah, I did that, and I was able to open it that evening after saving it. Like I
Okay.
made sure
Okay, can you check the folder where you saved it?
the
But
folder.
it must be in a folder, exactly, yes.
Hmm. Okay, I'm coming. It was saved in this one. I can see the Nova Pay marketing role. I'm coming. I have to send it.
Can you close? I think you should close this sales clean. How did you open this sales clean? If you understand how you
It
open it,
was already it was already open because this was where I saved it. Like I did not close Excel whatsoever.
where did you say?
Um,
What I'm saying, what
I
Nova Pay marketing that I'm saying here is a sheet.
yes, I can see
Show
that.
sheet now. It's a completely
I did.
different. It's a completely
I
different.
did the close and load. Sorry.
It's a completely different Excel. So it shouldn't be a sheet.
Okay, so usually, but when you do close and load, does it save in a different, what do you call it? In a different Excel?
Yes, please. So you remember when we wanted to start? I told you to open a
Yes.
Excel sheet, right?
Yes.
And then pick the data that we downloaded from Cloud as a source of our data, which is CSV file.
Mm-hmm.
And so when you do close and load after we have done cleaning and transformation, it should take you back to that new Excel sheet. It is that new Excel sheet that I told you to save and close.
Okay. Let's see if I can find it. Because I did the what's the code and it just took me straight to that place. And I was able to open the document that evening. So I'm a bit confused, but I'll figure out how to open it now. Oh, God.
Can you show me where you have the raw file that we downloaded from Cloud?
Yeah, I have the raw file on my laptop.
Yeah, can you show me
Like,
where you have it?
this is the raw file, and then this is the like cleaning brief. I have those ones saved on my like laptop.
Okay, so if you have them saved on your laptop, so
Yeah.
do the one that we did that we cleaned to some extent. So where did you save those?
In that Excel, I saved it as I just the Excel that we're working on. I just picked the most that thing called the clean and what do you call it? The close and load, and I I opened it again, so I was sure that it had been saved. Ugh, okay.
This is the first one we did.
Yeah, this is the very first one. Um, so no, usually, but even if it's unsaved, if I my laptop hasn't gone off since the last time that we had that class. It has been on. So even if it's unsaved, it's supposed to be in Excel, even if it's not saved, because I don't think this sheet that we are on.
Can you
Like I
open
don't.
can you open a new Excel sheet?
Okay.
I think you don't remember where you put it. So let's just open a new worksheet.
Let me check my own drive.
So you might want to also check your OneDrive if it's there.
Yeah, I'm checking my own drive now.
Okay, so if you can't find it, so let's just start from the beginning now.
Okay.
So let's just find, I mean, so that's why next time when you are working, you just need to be careful to save your work so that
Yeah,
and
I opened it after closing it that evening, just to be sure that I saved it. I opened it after closing it.
mm, no problem. Let's just start. Let's just open a new workbook and then go to get data. So open a new workbook, go to get data, pull the raw Nova Pay data, and then let's start with the cleaning and transformation again. So you have to go through the process that we went through. All right.
Okay. Yeah.
So don't load, transform. You need to transform. When you load it, it's take you back to the new Excel sheet you just open. So now you need to start your cleaning and transformation.
Yeah.
You've not used first row. I said that you have to. You can see the first row is still the name of the column.
Okay.
So you need to be looking at your first row and be checking what you're doing. Okay. So what's the next thing you're supposed to do?
Um, just validate that no what's it called is duplicated.
Hmm.
Let's spell that thing. So Shagun, I have a question. Apologies, please. So
No
when we
problem.
are done with this entire thing, what?
Mm.
How do we save it?
That's why I
Close
just
and load back.
that's what I told you the other time. You do close and load. When you do close and load, it takes you back to that new Excel book you just opened, right? So you see the data there. When you now see the data there, you now save that particular new one because it's not saved. You can see it was name book 4 or something when you open it.
Yeah.
So you now need to save that one. So you are saving it with the data that you just clean and transform.
Okay.
You didn't do that.
Okay. I don't think I saved the actual sheet. I only did close and load.
Wow. Even if you do close and load, the data should still be on that sheet now that you
Exactly
just
because I even opened this. Like I opened that thing.
okay, maybe it's possible that you mistakenly close it without knowing. So I mean,
Leaves that was the
it,
code. Immediately I had opened it to be sure that I saved that thing. I completely left Excel. Like I went back to using my laptop for what I was using it for.
mm,
So normally that thing is it's supposed to be the first thing that's here when we open Excel.
mm, mhm. No issues. Your village people is not after you. No worries.
Like, this thing is so frustrating because I'm sure I opened that thing to just check that this thing had been saved.
No issues. So let's just start again. No problem. It's just that I would have loved us to cover much today, but well, no problem.
Exactly.
No issues. No issues. No issues. I also feel that you should try as much as possible to be looking at the recorded session before the next class. I understand you are busy, but I mean, creating 2 hours to watch the recorded session can also help you, mitigating this kind of stuff. You understand? Because
Mhm.
if you watch the recorded session, you'll have discovered that, oh, this thing is not on my system, right?
I don't
So,
think it's about not discovering that I was not on my system because I just automatically figured out that because I saved it here, it should be here. Just as that other workbook was open.
mm,
That's exactly what I thought this one was supposed to be. Just completely open there.
no, okay, no worry. Let's just work on a few things. I will show you how to save it so that you will now know how it works, right? So let's just continue with the cleaning. So what you need to do here basically is remove duplicate records, right? Because
Yeah.
your ID supposed to be unique or true, right? So you remove duplicate records. So you now see that you now have 497016 unique.
Yeah.
Yeah. So and then it's 100% valid now. So you can go to the second column. The second column, I think we did splitting, I guess, right?
Yeah, we stated by delimiter.
Mm. So do that. So I'll be watching you. So use it to practice.
Mm.
So as you are working, as you are doing the cleaning and transformation, just be checking your columns and make sure that you have the right thing. Do you understand? And if you need to ask me questions, please don't hesitate to ask me questions.
Okay. No problem. Shagun, please, I'm trying to merge these two regions. Do I need to
Mm,
clean it first?
mm-mm. Merge it first and then you can clean it.
I can't find merge for some reason.
No, no. So have you highlighted the two columns? So you need to highlight the two columns and go to add column tab. So you need to check the other tabs. Add column tab specifically. So you now see merge. So highlight the two columns
Okay.
and then go to add column tab and then you will see merge columns. See add column tab. That's add column tabs. And besides transform, there's only for any delimiter or separator. Rename the column. Let's call it region. So you can delete the other ones. So trim it first. Have we trim it first?
Okay. I haven't. I was about to start saying it before
No.
training.
So you trim first, and then you can start replacing values. Anti, anti, Is it making sense?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. I think I'm done cleaning this one. Central East, North, Southwest.
So you can go to the next one.
Yeah. But facing this one, yeah, someone. You be sure you're finished, someone. Yeah. something not on. I'm speaking of food. Okay. Um,
So that one for Facebook, you can just do capitalize. Do you understand? And then you also do remove white spaces. And then
Can
if
just
you
capitalize.
yeah, the capitalize. But if you feel it's not working, so probably you can just do replace.
Okay.
Can see Facebook is still appearing, Google Ads is still appearing twice. So capitalize first. And then let's see what the
Okay. I see. Do I capitalize?
transform column. Go to transform column.
Okay. This transform.
See capitalize each one. Now check
Mhm.
it again.
Still the same thing.
Okay, so if it's still the same thing, then replace. So it means that you need to
That's it.
undo them one after the other. Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I've been doing.
Okay.
Google Leads and Google Ads, they are different, pa. Yes, now.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Don't worry. No, they are actually the same thing.
Google it and Google Ad.
No, don't worry. Don't worry. They're actually the same thing.
Okay.
So it was written like this, pa. And I
Oh, okay.
interpreted it as Google Leads instead of Google
Okay.
Ads.
I got it. I got it. Please give me a second.
Okay. Thank you. Mhm. Second, I back. No, no.
Yeah, I'm back.
Okay. You remember that first this sheet that we worked on? There was something that we did that was showing the entire, maybe not showing, but the entire 5,000 um data was there.
Mm.
Yeah, I'm only saying 27. There was something that we did.
Click on no, click on that place where you have column properly based on entire data set.
Sorry, apologies.
Okay, it's already there.
Yeah,
It's
but
already
why can I'm only seeing 15 columns and 27 rows.
no, no, no. Why should it be showing 27 rows? 27 rows. It's supposed to be everything. Did you delete anything?
I did not delete anything. This is the raw data.
Um,
Yeah, I did not delete anything.
so like, that's what you have been clearing since now.
Yeah.
Okay. Go to just leave it on the entire data set. Just leave it on the entire data set. Go to one of the columns to see the profile. So we'll check how many counts is there. So let's see. Scroll down. Distinct count. I think there's something you did though, because before it was showing 4,000 now and something. So I'm wondering what has happened. What did
Hmm.
you
I don't think I did anything.
because before when you first
Hmm.
create the first column, I was seeing 4,970.
4,000 something, yes. I don't know what happened. Let me check the set apply. Is this removed duplicates?
No, no. Remove duplicate is what you did that made the distinct to be 4,970 and the unique to be 4,970. So let's
Change
check the
column
other one.
type.
What did you do with
Okay,
reorder? What did you do with?
which
I'm saying it's not split column. I say you remove columns. I'm saying you reordered columns. Okay.
yes, so that was it called. That region.
Mm.
Yeah, like they put the final one in the last one. So I had to bring it back here.
Okay, let's check the next one. So I saw replace value, replace value, replace value. So scroll down.
Yeah, this entire replace value is what we've been working on now.
So hold on. So
Okay.
I'm saying change column. What did you do? What did you do with change column? Change,
Um,
change column type. Which one did you change the column type?
I think it was this one that I was working on.
Which one?
What's it called? The date and time. After I split them into two, the column, the what's it called, had to change.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay, scroll down. Did you remove duplicate again? I'm seeing remove duplicate again somewhere.
I think I did for this one that I'm working on, the channel. Should I
Mm,
remove it?
no, you're not supposed to remove duplicate for channel.
Okay, should I like exit?
If you do that from that place, okay, cancel it. Let me see. Group with two affects. Cancel. Yeah, delete.
Okay, I think that was what I did.
No, so what you are supposed to apply remote duplicate is just the ID, the campaign ID.
Oh,
So you don't remove
okay.
duplicates for this one. You, like I told you, you capitalize them.
Capitalize. Yeah, okay. Let me do that now.
So you want to insert it there. No issues. Let's see what happens.
Okay, share the full data come back. That was what I
Um,
was worried about.
all
No
right, that's fine.
problem.
Are you done doing clean everything?
I was done cleaning, but this step has like um
You
what's
were
it
not
called?
done. You were not done with the rest of the columns now.
No, I was done with channel
Channel.
and yeah, I was done with channel.
Okay, so go back. Hold on. So if you are done with channel, then go scroll to the last. So start from that last part. The
From which
last,
last part?
yes, that place, yes, capitalize each word. That capitalized each word was on what column? Did you apply it?
It was on this channel now.
Okay, all right. So continue from there. Do you still have any other thing to do? I think you still have some to do. I'm seeing FB, Facebook.
FB and Facebook, yeah. Let me just think that now.
Okay.
But then Shagun, can I ask you a question?
That's good.
Why did what is it called? Why did remove duplicates now have to remove like 90% of the entire data?
Yes, yes, because it's going to affect the other rows. You understand? If you are removing duplicate for channel, so it's going to affect the other rows, the other columns, right? That's what happened there.
Okay.
But for ID that has duplicates, right? So if you remove duplicate for ID, of course, it's still going to
Mm-hmm.
affect it's still going to affect the other columns, but it's going to reorder it in a way that it has to have the right numbers of rows.
Okay.
Mm. But every other columns can have duplicates. Just the ID that shouldn't have duplicates.
Just so that I've trained this one. It's not just easier to just on like so you see how everything here is like ticked bar. Will it not just be easier to untick them and then press enter?
Mm-mm. Doesn't work that way. On checking it doesn't doesn't necessarily clean and transform the data, because if you uncheck it, it will, what that means is that you are just trying to filter something. All right.
Okay.
Unchecking basically says you are filtering a record, but it doesn't transform the entire data.
Okay.
So you need to clean. That's why I told you that when you are doing data cleaning and transforming, it takes your time. But the moment you are
Yeah.
done and transforming, then to
Every
analyze
other
it
thing is easy.
exactly, to analyze the data becomes, easier.
W
This is, so cleaning and transformation is also a skill. All right, it's part of data processing skill that if you are very good at it, you just enjoy cleaning data.
like do people get hired for things like this?
Yes, no.
Like
So
people who hire somebody to.
to clean and transform data, yes.
Oh, that's so crazy.
So we have people that clean and transform data, right? So we also have people that visualize data. We call them visualization experts.
I
So we
don't
have
understand
so their
what's
job
the.
is to be able to pick your data and visualize it in the right represent in the right way. Right. So using visuals or charts.
So what type of company hire people like that?
And so they are not Nigerian company actually because
Okay.
Nigerian company
Yeah, that's what
we
I
don't
was like.
necessarily believe in division of labor.
Yeah.
So one person can be doing 20 things. But abroad you have guys that just focus on visualization. We have guys that just focus on SQL. We have guys that just focus on cleaning and transforming data. We have
Mm-hmm.
guys that just focus on building the models. All right, you have to build model, machine learning model. So there are different roles like that. So you know your role, and everybody's working collaboratively as a team. Do you understand?
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so see this place now, but
Mhm.
retention is showing twice.
So have you trained it?
Yeah, I trimmed it before I started cleaning it. Let me trim it again.
Okay, so check the spelling as well.
That's the same thing.
Okay, so maybe you should trim it.
Okay.
Yeah, let's trim it again. Let's see.
Okay.
All right,
Okay,
so
so this was where we stopped that last time.
mhm.
Yeah, we
So
stopped at, let
as
me
well campaign.
rename this. Yes, we stopped at campaign type.
Oh, okay. All right, so let's go to the next one then.
That's
So
audience segment.
audience segment. So let's clean and transform that. I think there is
Okay.
no is there.
Yeah, that was what I was asking that last time, like before the call ended.
Mm,
That there is like empty spaces here. Do I just handle like um do I fill the empty spaces with like unknown?
mm-hmm, mm-hmm.
I fill it with unknown.
Yeah.
Okay.
But
Hmm.
before you fill it with unknown, so you want to trim first and then you want to capitalize first.
Okay.
If there's a need for you to do that.
Let me trim first of all. Okay, they're all capitalized. So now, how do I then fill one, like see this space empty? How do I fill this one that the rest of the empty spaces are now filled with unknown?
It's the same way. So right click and do replace value.
Okay. Hmm.
So value to find, don't type anything there. Okay. And just type unknown
Okay.
there.
Let
Replace
me
with
see.
unknown. Yeah.
Okay, what?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Sorry, I'm not cleaning this.
Yeah.
What do you call it? Okay, let me just rename it.
So impression is
Okay, so
having,
is it the same thing?
yeah,
I want
impression
to
is
ask if
having
it's the same
no.
thing with impression.
Yeah, so impression is not categorical. So you have to check data types as well before you say value to find. So for this
The
one,
data type is not correct.
no, I'm saying it is not categorical, it's not ABC, it is numerical.
Yeah. Yes.
So like I told you, the way you undo numerical columns, right, in terms of their missing values,
Yes.
from is different from the way you
The
undo
way you handle.
categorical columns
Okay.
for missing values. Yeah. So in this case now, impression is having no value, right?
Yes.
Okay, good. So how do we handle the null values in impression? So there are a couple of things you need to consider. So you also need to look at the context, the domain context. So if impression is having null, does that mean that you can see I'm looking at the context now. So if impression is having null, does that mean that there were no impressions? All right.
Mm-hmm.
Or does that mean that um,
We don't have the accurate data.
we don't have the accurate data and then probably we now need to undo the null value? Maybe we want to replace it with mean or we want to replace it with median. All right.
Okay.
So these are the questions that you need to answer first before you make any changes. So I want to
Okay.
hear,
So my question.
yeah,
Sorry. Please go ahead.
yeah. I would
I
love to hear.
wanted to ask, like, okay, you would love to hear my opinion.
Yes, your thoughts. Yes.
Okay, I think that for me, I just feel like if we see null, especially when it gets to things like the data before it, like say new users, and we see null, I think that we should we I for me I feel like the data should just be zero, because imagine putting the mean, or imagine putting mean and median, and then like we're not sure of what it is.
Mm.
What do you think?
No, no. I mean, you are making sense. So if you put a mean, that means that we we needed to aggregate the rows for impressions to be able to get the mean, and then using the mean to replace.
Mm,
Well,
yeah.
if you're having null, all right, it could also mean that probably there's data error imputation, all right, or there were no impressions at all. So is there a possibility where they would do a campaign and then there were no impressions at all?
From the new users, I I'm unsure, to be honest, because imagine getting all of these impressions from different people, and then one like here is now saying no. So I feel like there would be some sort of traction, but then how do we figure it out?
So good. So we've answered the question already. So since you feel that there's no way that we won't have impressions, all right,
Mm-hmm.
so that comes to saying that we cannot put zero there.
Zero. So either do mean or
Zero,
median.
exactly. So zero is out of it. So we can't put zero there. So the proper way to handle it is to use mean or median. Do you understand?
Yeah.
Use mean and median. So now we now need to check whether it is mean or median we want to use. So the question will now be, is the column skewed or not? So we need to be able to confirm that. Is it skewed or not skewed? Can you check the
Uh,
can you check the distribution? That's that usually pop up when you click the header.
yeah, let me.
Yeah. So it is skewed to the right. You can see that it's having a longer tail to the right.
Yeah.
So it's not evenly distributed. That's what it means.
So it's not what? It's not what? I don't hear you, sorry.
Evenly- It's not
It's
evenly
not evenly
distributed.
distributed.
Yes.
Okay.
So since it is not evenly distributed, it means that it is skewed. Do you understand?
Mm-hmm.
So what that
Mm-hmm.
means is that you now have to use median to undo the missing values. Now, what
So
does median means?
skewed is equals to median or skewed is mode.
Exactly.
So
Exactly.
please, just give me a second. Let me just write this
Unskewed,
down.
unskewed is mean, not mode. I didn't say mode. Mean.
Sorry, me. Apologies.
Mhm.
Unskewed means skewed median.
Unskewed, evenly distribution, right?
Mm-hmm.
Mean. Skewed, median. So
Skewed.
yeah.
Okay. Mean and then skewed median. Okay.
All right. So how do we get the median? So median is saying that you are going to rearrange the rows. After rearranging it, we'll pick the middle value. That's what median is saying.
Okay. How do we rearrange now?
I mean, there's a feature that we can use to do that. So click on the impression. Okay, you already click on the impression column. So
Mhm.
go to okay, I think you're already there. You're under the add column tab. Now can you see statistics? Is it statistics or scientific? Which one?
It's
I think there's
scientific that's there.
okay, go to transform tab. Sorry, go to transform tab. Okay, can you see statistics?
Yes, I can.
Yeah, click the drop down. Can you see median?
Yes.
Yeah, click on it. Can you see the median value?
Yeah, 124,376.
Good. So highlight it. That's the median. Highlight it and copy. Control C.
Okay,
And then go back to your last applied step and cancel it.
that's this one.
Mhm.
And
Now,
then
right click on impression again and replace value.
okay, give me a second.
So value to find is null.
Let me
Smallest.
confirm that it's no that's there
Okay. All right, that's fine.
instead of just nothing. Okay, it's no.
You can click the drop down.
Yeah,
If
I've
you
seen it. It's no.
okay.
So there's a tool that will just help you find the median. Like you don't have to find it by yourself.
Mm-mm.
That's
Yes.
nice. Too.
Control V. Okay.
Okay,
Yep.
great. So we'll do the same thing here. Let's see.
Yeah.
Oh, this is the same thing. So we are looking for the median here as well.
Exactly. Exactly.
Okay.
So do that one. Let me see how you're gonna do it.
Okay. Mm, Okay, Shagun, I did it.
All right, well done.
Thank you.
Conversion doesn't have no values.
No, it
Conversion,
doesn't.
yeah, conversion I think is okay. So you're not doing
Okay.
anything.
Okay, we got to this spend thing. They mentioned it in the brief. What do we do? Because like data types, we have currency here, but
Mm-hmm.
yeah, so and then here in the data there's USD and then there's the actual
Dollar symbol.
currency. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So
So
what how do we
you need to undo it, right? So you need to remove the USD, remove the currency symbol. So click the drop down to see those unique stuff that you need to undo.
thank you?
Yeah, just scroll down so it gives you an idea. So I think there is a dollar sign.
Yeah,
Right.
there's a dollar sign, there's the USD.
Yeah, so undo those ones. So what you are going to do is you can do replace value. So value to find USD. So type it the way it is there, and then replace with what? Nothing. Okay.
Okay.
So let's start with that first, and then we'll not trim.
Hmm.
Place value for USD and dollar symbol, and then we'll trim when you're done to remove white trailing spaces. Replace value again, then currency symbol, value to find, replace with.
Okay. Mm.
So I've started putting these stuffs on YouTube as well, on recorded sessions.
Okay, this is nice for you. You have a YouTube like channel.
Yeah, I sent you a link. Didn't I send you a link yesterday or 2 days ago?
You sent me the drive, like our class.
Oh, really? I thought I sent you a link. So please follow me. So there's a podcast channel on that channel as well. So that podcast channel um, simplifies data analysis, AI, and stuff like that, right? So there are a couple of podcasts there. So you can listen to it. Just 10 minutes there, about 10, 11 minutes. 12 minutes.
Okay.
I'm also planning to put them on Spotify as well, so that guys can listen to it. Very, very interesting conversation, right? So I use AI
Okay.
to do it actually. So, but
That's
it's very
nice. Okay.
you will
Send
learn.
me the link.
Yeah, I'll send you the link. I will do that.
Okay. So we've now cleaned the USD and the currency. How do we now change the data type
Okay,
to
hold on.
currency?
Hold on. Have you trimmed it?
Oh, let me see.
Oh, trim it. All right. So now, I think there's still.
Another thing.
Hold
Yeah,
on.
I want to say, sorry. Go ahead, please.
Hold on. There, I think there's still no values there. So scroll, click the drop down. Let's see. Just be checking the drop down. So that drop down gives you what you need to undo, what you need to. Do you understand?
Yeah,
Now, can you see that there's something else that you've not undone? There is comma there.
blank.
No, not just blank. There's comma there. Can you see?
Okay. Yeah, that was what I was going to mention. That some of the what is it called? They have commas. So
There's
how do we clean that up?
the same way. All right. Comma, value to find comma, replace with nothing.
Okay.
And then you trim again when you're done.
Okay. I have. So what of the blank? How
No
do we
worries.
clean that?
We undo
Okay.
blank. Just trim first. All right. So now we have blank, right? So
Mm-hmm.
check the column distribution. So is this skewed? If it is skewed, then we are using median. So it is skewed. So if you want to convert the data type, Wait, scroll down. Go back to the column distribution again. Sorry. I'm seeing, oh, wait, start from the beginning. That's scrolling down that you're doing. Let me see something. Okay. Just keep going down.
Okay.
Okay, just go down. Go down completely. Okay, that's fine. Thank you. So now what we need to do is this. Click the ABC. Now change it to currency or 1.2, anyone.
I changed it to currency.
All right, that's fine. So the blank is still there. All right. So now let's check.
Yes,
You can see
medium.
from here, you can even see that it is skewed, right?
Right. Okay. Yeah, from the diagram, a
Yes,
BD chart.
yes, you can see that it is skewed. So we need to find the median.
Okay.
This place now. So find the median, use the median to replace it.
Okay.
So now place value, you will not do value to
Mm.
find. You don't type anything there.
How analytics is fun.
Is that
This analytics is fun.
it's fun, Abby?
Yeah.
Mhm. All right, so I think we've done cleaning that. So let's see the next one.
Yes. Wait, see now this what is it called? That's gone to 1.2. That's okay, but
It's fine, but if you want to change the currency, it's fine. But I mean, currency there basically says so. So the thing is this about currency is that if you choose
mm,
the dollar currency,
yeah.
automatically when you are doing your calculation, it will be showing dollar currency, dollar
Okay, so we
currency.
should just leave it at 1.2.
But if you want to use another currency, it means that you have to now change from dollar currency to another currency. So the question will be which currency should we go with? Should we go with dollar currency or we should go with Nigerian currency? I think
Change
dollar
the
is
currency to Nigerian currency though.
no, I think dollar is fine. I mean, because
I beg.
most of the time they
But
do campaign in dollars, right?
yeah, but if but say I'm working in a Nigerian company, for example. Now I'm working in a Nigerian company and the currency here is
It's Naira.
dollar, but obviously it's naira that we are using now. So do I just do the 1.2, or do I just
1.2 is
leave
safer
it?
on the safer side. 1.2 is fine on the safer side.
Okay, 1.2 is fine. Okay. Okay, this is noted. Thank you.
You're welcome. So let's
Okay,
finish the rest.
product. Yes,
I think
I'm going to capitalize this one first. Or do
okay.
I trim before capitalizing?
I mean, to be on the safer side, it's good that you trim in case they are trailing white spaces. So
Yep. So I'll capitalize now. Okay, I'm going to start cleaning up now.
so there is card, there is debit card. I did the same thing.
I think they are, so we'll just replace card with debit card.
Okay.
Because what other card do people use to pay? People can use credit cards to pay, but I think it's debit card.
Mm-hmm.
I think that's the same thing.
Okay.
Debit card. As how many like people have you taught?
You said what?
How many people have you taught, like students?
Ah, we have about 3,500.
So do you used to do like group classes or personal classes or
So there were years where I was doing group classes.
okay.
So I was working with some edtech company. I work with like two edtech companies.
Okay.
Yeah. So in the first one, right, in a class we can be up to 200.
Okay.
I was with them for like I think close to 2 years or so.
Oh.
Yeah. So just imagine the numbers of calls I've taught.
Mm-hmm.
So that make up the number to 3,000, above 3,500. And also I've taught in conferences, I've taught in workshops, I've taught.
Oh.
So all the students that I've taught so far is over 3,500 students
That's
across different
nice.
countries. Then one-on-one, I think my one-on-one should be close to 50 now, if not more than.
Wow. Okay, that's very nice.
Mm.
So you have come in contact with like different types of students.
As in both old, both children, even children, teenagers, right? So
Mhm.
like I've taught different people,
Oh, that's
different,
very nice.
so we just enjoy doing training, just imparting people, that's what I love doing. Apart
Oh,
from
are you serious? Like you just generally like to teach.
yeah, so I enjoy it, right? I enjoy it. I'm also a machine learning AI engineer as well. Well,
What does
I
that what does that mean?
I mean I build AI solutions, right? I implement or integrate AI machine learning into platforms, softwares. That's what I do.
Oh. Sorry, what did you study in school, Shegun?
Well, I will answer that question, but it's not about what I studied actually, you know. But I studied mathematics in school. Uh,
Okay, so you've always been in this say in this I mean not per se this industry, but
yeah, I've been teaching since like before I even went to school. Right,
I serious.
I've been teaching. I started from primary school, then
Oh.
then the secondary school. So then I went to school to study maths. Finished studying maths. I still went back to teaching because that's like the easiest job to get, in Nigeria. For
Now able
for
to scale
graduates.
from schools to mm-hmm.
Yeah. So
Are
from
you
there,
able to scale school from schools to now doing like what you're currently doing?
yeah. The transition was not smooth, but I was just rugged. Let me just use, I was just rugged. You know, I just wanted to be free, like free from free financially. Let me just use that word first, and
Yeah.
also free from having to be doing 9 to 5 all the time. All right.
Okay.
Yeah, it was draining. So that's what tech did for me actually. But it wasn't easy transitioning because coming from that educational background,
Mm-hmm.
with no experience in tech, and then not that I was very good, I was applying for jobs, but when they look at, oh, this person has no experience in fintech or in this,
Excellent. Yeah.
they were like,
Yes.
they won't
It's
give
a
me the
bit limiting. Yes.
exactly. They don't give me the opportunity. So I've had I've had to receive over, I mean, I can't even count it, rejection letters, over 100 rejection letters. But
Can be discouraging.
I just keep believing in myself. I just keep
Yes.
believing in myself until I met. That's why relationship is very important.
Mm-hmm.
I went to a conference organized by InterSwitch, and I met a man uh, who is um, who is the co-founder of a particular startup in Lagos.
Okay.
So I met with him. I collected his, I mean, connected with him on LinkedIn. I was following up on him. You know, commenting on his posts, following him. Liking his post and all that. Right. And then after that, once in a while, I'll just check on him. Right. Um, when his birthday, I'll send him message. At least,
Mm-hmm.
you know, I was just following up. Right. So most of the big people I met, like I try to follow them, try to comment on their posts, like it, share my view, and all that. So afterwards, I got an initiative to start a podcast, um, channel. So when I
Okay.
started, I was like, okay, who am I going to invite? So we invited the first guest. Then the second one, I was like, okay, who am I going to invite? So I now told this man that I met, right?
Mm-hmm.
And he said, "Oh, he's not in Nigeria right now, he's in Canada, blah blah blah." I said, "Okay, no problem. We'll wait." So I keep following up on him. At the point, I told him he wasn't feeling good, he was sick and stuff like that. So, you know, I keep following up again, once in a while, just check him, hope you are feeling good, sir, blah blah
Mm-hmm.
blah. And then after a while, he now responded, "Okay, when do you want us to have the podcast? Like, where exactly?" I said, "Oh, really?" So that's okay. There's a studio we usually book. We would love you to come around to
Mm-hmm.
this. I said, "No, there's no point. You can just come to his office." I said, "Oh, really? That's fine."
Oh,
So he's not paying money for the studio. So he invited
yes.
us, my team members, so we went to his office on a Saturday. And then, we arranged the place, and then, he had nice chairs. So we used it.
Mm-hmm.
And then we did the podcast session, right? Few weeks after we released the podcast and all that. So so they started as a software company, but they've not started, integrating AI per se into their
Okay.
solution. So before the podcast, he had once reached out to me and said, "Shekun, do you have someone who is an AI engineer that can lead the team?" I said,
Mm-hmm.
I will check back, like I will check around to see if there's someone. And so I didn't really show interest at the time,
Yeah.
so because I felt I wasn't ready. And then maybe 3 months or 4 months down the line, after the podcast, then we've done the podcast, and all that. I started again. I was, this, we are still looking for AI lead, blah blah blah. I said, "Oh, really?" I said, "I'm interested, though." I said, "Is you sure?" "Yeah, I'm interested." That's okay. We'll tell someone to send me the job description. All right.
Okay.
Send me the job description so I can look at if you know I can apply. I said, "Okay, no problem." So they sent me the job description. I look at it. Okay, so I'm ready to apply. So I applied. Because they were in the job description, there were target I need to meet, and all that. So I wrote the whole proposal. I sent it to him, and then they invited me for an interview. So I did the interview, the first stage, the second stage, spoke with the other founder, and all that, and then that's how I became the AI engineering company.
Leave.
So,
That's so crazy.
as in, so he was the one that gave me the opportunity to transition into tech,
Yeah.
right? Even though I've had offers that I
Mm-hmm.
rejected, and I don't know what was happening to me. I just
Why
felt,
did you reject the other offers? You feel
yeah,
like you were not, you could just not do it. Self
no,
doubt.
No, no, the reason is because the pay as at the time I was eyeing like 500k, 600k. So they were offering me
Mm-hmm.
like like 250, 300. Like, no, I can't collect at this stage. No, I shouldn't be
Yeah.
collecting. You know, you know, maybe I would have transitioned quickly, right? Because I know so much, like from my
Mm-hmm.
experience and all that. So
Okay,
so
I'm done explaining the speech.
okay. So it was the man. So I became the AI engineering lead for that company close to one
Mm-hmm.
year. I left and then I got another job times two of that money. All
Are
right.
you serious?
Yeah, immediately I left them, got another opportunity, you know. So that's how I came into tech, met a lot of people, built different solutions, work on
Mm-hmm.
different projects. So you just need that person that will believe in, that will give you the
In
opportunity.
you that one time, yeah.
Exactly. And then before you know it, the door is open. So that's the whole story.
Okay. So to be honest, I applied for a brand analyst role, which is
Okay.
obviously why I now needed to um broaden my knowledge in data
Okay.
analysis.
Okay.
Yes, so, and it's like sometimes I'm just like, do I really want to go into the analysis part of it?
Mm,
Because it's like, obviously, I'm currently in brand and communications, which is like, I think is like the easiest part of actually doing communications because I'm not handling anything analytics aside checking engagement rates and maybe open rates, click throughs, and all of that for reporting, or solely for reporting, like just to be sure that my what's it called, my communication methods
mm,
are working.
yeah.
But yeah, sometimes I'm like, do I really want to transition to analysis because it can be a bit much, just to put it in the tightest. So yeah, I think your story helped me put it into perspective.
Yeah. I mean, you can see that you're enjoying what you're learning now. So
I how surprisingly
over time you get used to it and you become a professional, right?
anyway.
Like, and you start mentoring people. And I think another thing you can do is that you need to push yourself.
Mm-hmm.
You need to push yourself out there, right? You need to push yourself out there.
Yeah, I think I do too. 'Cause I'm very like in my own bubble, like I'll do what I have to do and then I'm out. I think yeah, because one thing I don't do is networking. Like I just don't know how to. Well, I
Yeah.
think something that I should dabble in.
Yeah. Are you on LinkedIn?
I am.
Okay, so you have to take advantage of LinkedIn, all right? Take advantage of it, push for it. As a matter of fact, what I want to do now is that you'll be, as one of my students, right? I want you to be really vast in data analysis such that you will start mentoring people. Do you understand? Uh,
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
so what that means is that we can partner together in the sense that maybe on a weekend you can start mentoring people, teaching people about brand and marketing, how you can use data analytics to do brand and marketing. Can you see that?
Yeah. Just
And
like
that
how I was searching for like a brand and marketing analyst earlier.
exactly. And I believe we
Yeah.
can. People say, "Oh, I can't teach." Actually, everybody can teach one way or the other. You just need to develop the skill, right?
Mm-hmm.
So, and doing that alone can also bring you recognition. It can also bring you value, like money for your value. Do you understand?
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
So that's why
Yeah. I think
what you're doing now, you need to take it seriously, and then
yeah, that's what I was also saying. I think I just need to like sharpen my edges to be honest.
so another
Cause
thing.
even oh I'm
Okay.
listening, please go ahead.
Another thing you can do, like I said, while you are learning this brand and marketing, data analysis for brand and marketing and communication, right?
Mm-hmm.
Uh, you can start pushing yourself out there. Like, okay, this is what I'm learning as a brand and blah 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 person, right? And
Mm-hmm.
I think this is the thing that's been helping me with. So other people who are in brand and marketing, who are in brand and communication marketing, right? We start looking at your post, we start engaging it. It's like, okay, Okay, oh, somebody can be doing data analysis. So it means I can also do it,
Yeah,
right? So you become
yeah.
a source of inspiration to folks who need clarity, who need direction and stuff like that. I mean, before you know it, you can, like I said, you can start mentoring people. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So that's the way it works.
Okay. Okay. I will take this into. I will actually do it. I think just in case because I also I to be honest, I applied for like that brand. That brand analyst role is the role that I definitely want. Like I want that role. But I also applied to like other communication roles. So I'm going to at the end of the day, like to be honest, just data analysis on its own is like something that you can use to like get a job and all of that and obviously make money. So yeah,
Hmm.
I think it's something that I will definitely have to start putting in more time to the analysis
Okay.
part of the entire thing. Okay,
Okay.
I'm done cleaning up the sheet.
All right. So that's cool. So what we now need to do now is that so now that we're done cleaning, so let's do close and load. All right. Now, mind
Close
you,
and load. Now,
we can
see, are
wait.
you seeing?
Hold on.
Sorry.
He's saying the query Nova payroll was not found. I don't understand.
Hmm.
It was not found. Why is it not found? Is it not on your system?
Dave, no, it's on my system. Wait, okay. Should I click okay?
Wait, hold on. Wait,
Hey,
I'm saying this. This is opening
look
in
at
a.
this drop down.
Yeah,
This is what I
I,
was saying. This is the same thing that happened to me the last time.
I think it's your. I
I
think
have
it's your.
been vindicated. Because I'm sure I saved that thing. I opened it. Open that thing. Should I click OK so we can see if it's saved it somewhere else?
Oh, hold on. Can you? Uh, I'm coming. Why is it? This is. I think it's the Excel on your system. Click.
Because it's literally opening in that same sheet too. Like in that sheet that we worked on the first time.
I'm surprised. I was like, what is going on? It's because it's still showing. Could it be that maybe you should close that sales clean sheet? Maybe it's interfering with. Click OK, or let's see. So maybe it's interfering. Close this one. This sales clean. Just close it entirely.
I'm sure we should close it. I'm scared that we will lose the document.
No. You've saved it already. Just save and close.
Okay.
If it
Hey,
is,
I'm scared.
if you lose it, it means that something is wrong with the Excel.
No,
Like,
I hope you don't lose it, please. I have no energy.
okay, it's uploading to where? I'm seeing something.
Chef,
MTM.
yeah, SharePoint, like my OneDrive,
No, it
for
shouldn't.
like.
It shouldn't upload to your one. It should be on your system.
Okay, let's check if it's on my system now. Hey, it's not here.
What
Oh, wait, hold
is?
on. It's not here.
I think it's your. So when you are picking the data, you are picking it from your download, isn't it?
Download. Look at the data here.
That's what I'm saying now. When you pick it
Oh
from
my
your
Jesus.
so when you pick it from your download, um, and then you pick it from your download, so you should be able to save it to this new sheet. So I think it's the Excel. Can you close this one? Close this book for just close it. Let's see. Then something is wrong somewhere.
Okay.
Save this one. Let's see. Save it. Just save it. Just call it a
Okay.
name. Just call it a name. Any name.
No. Okay. This is
Wait,
the sheet with the raw, what is it called, that I opened when we we're checking
is it
for
that
that.
This one is not on your system. This marketing row is not on your
It's on
system.
my system now. See here. See here. We opened it in Excel earlier.
Interesting.
Should I close this one so that we can just go to Excel?
Yeah,
Like
close it. Close it, please.
this is
Close
what we want.
close all
Okay.
these ones. Close all these Excel.
I was com I was like, I don't close any of the sheets. So
So I'm wondering why this is not, because we implemented the same thing the first one we worked on. So I'm
yeah,
wondering-
what I was even talking that sure that I saved that thing. I was so sure of myself. Leave me
hmm.
alone, please. Okay, now let's go to Excel.
So this is interesting.
Oh, I can't believe it.
Hmm. Recent.
It's not here. It's actually not here. It's not here.
Click on that Nova Pay marketing row again. Let me see.
It's the raw data.
Hmm.
Hi, I can't believe this.
Okay, click on Save As. No issues. So that probably that will be your assignment. You will do it again. So click on Save As. No,
Okay.
let's save it in a different folder, please, instead of download. So do Save As.
Mhm.
Yeah,
So if
pick
we
another.
save it to download, just like that book four that we saved in download, book four is showing in Excel.
Yeah, can we probably let's save it in a um different folder. So just pick another folder where we can just save it. Maybe desktop or something or documents. So when you're going to be working on it next, just pick it from these documents. Hmm?
Okay.
So, but I'm surprised that this is happening. Like this, is like the first time I'm experiencing this.
It's fine. I'm just happy I'm vindicated. So they just know that I actually did save that document. Like I actually did.
Okay,
It's fine. I'll work on it.
no
I
issue.
will pick up
Yeah, so
Saturday. It's fine.
use it as an assignment, right? So that when we come
Mhm.
on Saturday, we'll start doing the pivot table and the pivot chart.
Yeah. Okay.
And then
No
if you
problem.
need clarity, you can watch the recorded sessions as well. I'll
Yeah,
send
I
you.
will. I definitely will.
So when you're done cleaning it, when you're done cleaning and transform, just click on close and load. It should take you to the new sheet, like that new sheet, that new workbook sheet that you just opened. And then from there, you now save that one, that workbook, you now save it.
That
All right.
workbook, that's the book four that we saved.
Exactly. You now save it. Exactly. So you can save it, you
Hmm.
can still save as or rename it and save it.
Okay, I hope it doesn't do this thing that it did before, but I will work on it tomorrow.
You can just try something very simple first. So maybe you can generate a simple data and then try and see how it works. Start working.
Okay, no problem. Noted. Thank you. Okay, bye. Good night.
You drinking it. So how far was you go show like this?